if you watch very well, you see that the ceiling, the ceiling is very, very neat. I cut it proper. Well, I cut it with my drilling machine and the ceiling blade because I bought a set of ceiling blade. So guys, if you want to learn how to do it, or if you want to know the kind of ceiling blade I'm using, guys, kindly go to my previous video. You go to my previous video, guys. You figure out what I did, how I did it. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. So you must make sure you have your sellotape. Yeah.